Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today we are starting a new chapter, that is trial balance. Yes, dear students, trial balance is a balance of all ledger accounts and the cash book. As we know, only after passing the journal entries, the different accounts in ledger is opened and we find the balance at each and every month end, and these balances are transferred to the trial balance. Trial balance is a statement, not an account, and it is not prepared according to the double entry system. It is prepared at any time during the accounting period. It can be at every month, every quarter, every half year, or every year, depending upon the size of the business. It is always prepared on a particular date. That's why we say that this is a statement. It is prepared to check the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger account, means balance what we have find out and total what we have done, that it is arithmetically means we have done total minus all things correct or not. So it help us to locate arithmetical error. There is a format of trial balance in front of you. First column shows the serial number. The second is name of the account, then ledger folio, and debit amount will show the debit balance of assets, drawing, debtors, expenses and losses, and credit amount column will show the credit balance of liabilities, capital, creditors, income and gains. There are two methods of preparing trial balance. Number one is total method and number two is balance method. In total method, the total of debit and credit of account in ledger are transferred to the debit and credit side of the trial balance. And in balance method, the debit and credit balances of different account in ledger are transferred to the debit and credit side of the trial balance. लाइक कैश बुक में डेबिट का जो टोटल है, अगर मैं टोटल मेथड फॉलो करती हूँ तो टोटल डेबिट का डेबिट वाले कॉलम में लिखूँगी और क्रेडिट का टोटल मैं क्रेडिट कॉलम में लिखूँगी. ठीक है. द सेम वे बैलेंस मेथड में वी आर हैविंग वेदर द डेबिट बैलेंस और द क्रेडिट बैलेंस. तो जिस अकाउंट का जो भी बैलेंस होगा वो उस कॉलम में लिखा जाएगा. इन बोथ द मेथड यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि ट्रायल बैलेंस का जो टोटल होता है वो ऑलवेज सेम आता है दोनों कॉलम का, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट का. बट इन योर सिलेबस बैलेंस मेथड इज़ देयर, सो वी विल solve all the questions by using the balance method. There is one practical problem in front of you. You can pause the video and you can note down this question in your notebook. In this one you can observe that in front of the capital one question mark is there. As I told you earlier also that the total of debit and credit column is same. So here capital has not been given. So the balance will be the capital. Okay. When you will solve and finding the total, you will get the difference in the credit column because here the amount of the capital has not been given. So that balancing figure will be we have to write in front of the capital and then we will make the total equal of the debit and credit column of trial balance. Yes, beta, in this one practical problem, first bank overdraft has been given. It is a liability, so it will show credit balance. So we have written in the credit column of the trial balance. Next is again sales. Sales is an income and income again shows credit balance. So it will be written in the credit column. Purchase return is the reverse of the purchase. Purchase is always debited and purchase return will show the credit balance. Then debtor is an asset, so it will be written in the debit column. Wages is an expense, it will be written in the debit column. Capital, here it leave one's empty space and later when we will find the total and there will be balance, then we will write in front of the capital. Capital is the internal liability, so we will write in credit column. Purchase being an expense, it will be written in debit column. Cash in hand is an asset, so it will be written in the debit column. Creditors are the liability of the business, so it will be written in the credit column. Sales return is the reverse entry of the sales. So sales being an income, अगर हम credit करते हैं तो sales return debit होगा. Equipment are the assets and opening stock is also an asset. So after noting down all the balances of debit and credit, we will find the total. Here you will see that there will be difference of 1,58,750, and this is the capital which has not been given in this question. You just write in front of the capital account. So I think this lecture will be helpful for all of you, and you must be knowing now how can be trial balance prepared. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Always be happy.